Hey friend, it's Chrissy Faith here and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be discussing this, okay? The Lux Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. I did a video on my first impression of this, my first time using it, and I went through all the lights and what the device does. So make sure you go check out that video before checking out this one. But like this video first. Did you like it? Come on, like. Okay, hit that subscribe button too, for real. I got a lot of comments like, hey Chrissy, do you still use it? Do you still like it? What settings are you using it on? What color do you like? Did you find that it helped with your dark marks? And I'm gonna answer all those questions for you in this video. So if you are interested in my review, my updated review, and my thoughts on the LED Rejuvenating Wand, continue to watch this video. First things first, do I continue to use it? Yes, I continue to use this. I absolutely love this thing. It's so cute, it's so neat. I love using it. It's a great experience. I feel like I'm doing something extra. I feel bougie, I feel lush, I feel luxurious when I use this thing. It's just one of those things that I just feel like every skincare junkie should have. I feel like everybody should have this in their arsenal. So yes, I do continue to use it. Okay, next, a lot of people are asking me, did I see a difference in my dark marks using this? I'm going to be honest and say I haven't really used the green setting like talking about, and I know I said that was the whole reason why I bought this Lux Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand in the first place, but I really haven't. I don't know, it's crazy. I haven't really been using the green setting, y'all. I don't know. I've been using the blue light. That's really been bae. Like blue is bae. I've been using the blue light because it decreases my acne. Like whenever I do get hormonal acne, like I said, this is really my problem area, and this is the area where I do have my dark marks. I will use this light, the blue light, and I'm usually on setting 5, and it goes all the way up. I put my serum on there and I just massage this into my skin, and I promise you guys, like the next morning my bumps are smaller, like they go down faster, and I'm talking about like I can tell a difference in this blue light. That's been my trick, the light I've been using to keep my acne at bay. So I feel like this, girl, blue light is everything. I love the blue light. I've also been using the red light. The red light increases collagen production and it treats wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but I don't want wrinkles. Like, it's all about prevention with this thing, I would say. I think this is more for prevention. This is more so that your skin stays youthful and radiant for as long as possible. Now, with the green light, because I do want to touch on this, the green light is supposed to inhibit melanin production so you won't get the hyperpigmentation and the dark marks. When I was using it, and I didn't see any difference, but like I said, I'm not consistent with this green light. Now, I did get a new dark mark right here. That could have been like prevented, maybe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I don't know why we do the things that we do, but it's like, I think in certain times I do like 5 minutes the green light, then 5 minutes the blue light, or I'll do 5 minutes blue light one day, 5 minutes the red light. Like, I break it up like that because you're supposed to use it for only 10 minutes a day, 3 times out of the week. So you do not go over that. I don't go over that. What would happen if you went over that? I don't know. I just listen to the people. I just listen to the instructions. I don't know. But I mean, if you want to go over that, you let me know. Like, if you're doing 20 minutes out the day and you see that ain't nothing happened to you, like, and I want a full kind of like, in 6 months I want you to come back to me and be like,
yeah, ain't nothing happened to me, my organs still working and everything like that, like everything's good.
And I think, okay, 20 minutes is legit, let's do this. But nah, for real, let's just like let's listen to the people and what they say. That's been my two lights that I've really been using, honestly. The blue light and the red light. I really can't talk on the dark marks part about it, and I'm just gonna shut up about it because I really have not been using the green light consistently to see any difference. But the blue light, I do see that it decreases my pimples, it decreases my acne overnight, and I just have like, they diminish in size and redness overnight. So if that's something that you're interested in, which I think, who doesn't want that? Who wants pimples? I mean, who wants a pimple anyway? But when a pimple does pop up on your face, you want it to go away as soon as possible, and this blue light has been helping me with that. Now, how often have I been using it? Like I said, I only been using it 3 times out the week and for 10 minutes. Every week, have I used it 3 times out the week? No. I mean, no, I haven't. But that's how often you can use it. And I will say, when I use it, I see a difference. So start using it more, Chrissy. Like, I'm gonna start using it more. Sometimes I'm just so tired, but it is one of those extra little tasks you have to do with your skin routine. But I think it's totally worth it. It's totally worth taking the 10 minutes. I love that it's just wireless. You charge it up. I really have only charged this thing up 1 time. I mean, the battery lasts a long time with this thing. It really does. Yeah, so you can just be in your bed watching your show, just doing your little therapy. All right, and lastly, would I recommend it? I would definitely recommend the Lux Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. I think it is so worth the buy. It's only $50 right now that I'm checking on the website. Let me see. Yeah, $49. It's definitely worth it. It's still working. It still has the radio frequency and the EMS and that vibrating, tingly feeling, which I absolutely love. It still kind of is like, ooh, but it's cool. It makes me feel like something is working, and it's gonna make sure that your skin stays toned and contoured and as tight as possible, and we can continue to have just a youthful appearance for as long as possible. And I think $50 is worth it. I think it's worth it. I love this thing. I don't use it as often as I should, but when I do use it, I see a difference. Okay, that is my review. That is my review on the Lux Skin LED Rejuvenating Wand. I definitely think it was worth the purchase. I still use it. I still love it. It still works. And I would recommend anybody who is a skincare lover and enthusiast like I am to purchase this device. So let me know if you have any other questions. Make sure you like this video if you appreciated it. If you vibe with me, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you go, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.